recording. Bruno, step outside. Wait right there. Busy weekend. Come on out. Look inside for a photo.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright.
Oh, my God.
Put both hands there. Face that way.
Huh?
Stay nice. Back bend. There. This hand goes there. Left hand over here. Put your toes on the edge. This
What?
one too. Bruno, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Woo. Let go. Woo. Let go. Let go. No. Keep your feet on the edge. Go. Woo. Woo.
Alright, is there anything you want to say, Bruno?
Yeah, it's very good.